everyone, welcome back to the lecture series of Computer Aided Manufacturing. I am Neha Joshi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. Let's start with our second chapter, that is NC CNC machine tools. In previous session we covered different topics like axis designation convention for turning center, 0 points and reference point for lathe, Carnot cycle for turning centers, and subroutines and macros. Okay. In today's session, we will cover different topics like cutting process parameter for turning application, general structure of turning part program, and part programming of CNC machining center. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the cutting process parameter for turning application. Generally, we have to consider three cutting process parameter for turning application. First one is cutting speed, then feed, and depth of cut. Okay. Now what is cutting speed? The cutting speed of a tool is the speed at which the metal is removed by the tool from the workpiece, which is designated by V. In a lathe, it is the peripheral speed of the workpiece past the cutting tool is expressed in meter per minute, which is expressed by the equation V is equal to pi d n by 60. From the above equation, the spindle speed can be determined using recommended value of the cutting speed. Okay. Now, what is feed? The feed of a cutting tool in a lathe is the distance the cutting tool advances for each revolution of the spindle speed and workpiece. Feed is expressed in mm per revolution. The feed per cutter revolution and feed per minute are correlated by the equation Fm is equal to n into f revolution, where n is equal to spindle and workpiece speed in rpm, Fm is equal to feed in minute, and f revolution is feed per revolution. Okay. If we increase feed, it reduces the cutting time. However, increase the speed greatly reduce the cutting tool life. Coarser feeds are used for roughing and fine speed are used for the finishing cuts. Next parameter is depth of cut. Now what is depth of cut? Depth of cut is the perpendicular distance measured from the machine surface to uncut surface of the workpiece. In a lathe, the depth of cut is expressed by using equation T is equal to d1 minus d2 by 2, where T is depth of cut, d1 is the diameter of the workpiece surface before the machining in mm, d2 is the diameter of the workpiece after machining in fm. The depth of cut inversely as the cutting speed. Okay, so these are the different cutting process parameters that we have to consider. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the general structure of turning part program. First column is for the sequence number. As you can see here in the table, first column is for the sequence number, which is designated by N. Second column is the preparatory function, which is designated by G. Next column are for X, Z, I and K are coordinate functions. F is used for feed functions. M is used for the miscellaneous function. S is the spindle speed function, and T is for the tool function. Okay. Now you can see here in the table, first sequence is N0. Okay, sequence number is N0. Preparatory code is G90, which is used for absolute programming mode. Generally, there are two types of programming mode: absolute programming mode and incremental programming mode. In part programming, generally G90 code is used for the absolute programming mode. Second sequence is N1 and G71, which is used for metric mode programming. If you want to programming in each mode, then you have to use code G70. Then next sequence is N2. Okay, G93 indicate range of spindle speed. M41 indicate medium speed range. S1500 indicate the spindle speed is 1500 rpm. Now, according to your requirement or your part drawing, you will take the spindle speed. Okay. The next sequence is N3. G94 indicates speed rate in mm per minute. Okay. Next sequence is N4. G28, which is used to position the tool at the home position at 0, 0. U0 and W0 are parallel to X and Z axis. Okay. The next sequence is N5. M06 indicate tool change. For changing the tool, M06 is used. T0101, which is used for that the tool number is 01 with offset number is 01. After that, next sequence is N6. Okay, miscellaneous code M03 is used for turning one spindle, and S1500 indicate that spindle speed is 1500 rpm. Now next sequence is N7. Okay, G00 indicate the rapid tool positioning. Okay, set the tool at G0. For the rapid tool positioning, G00 is used. Suppose the diameter of flank bar is 50 mm. So position the tool in X coordinate 50 and Z1. M08 is used for the turning on coolant. Sequence N8 to N17 are used for various machining operations. Okay, and this sequence may vary according to your part drawing. Okay. After various machining process, next sequence is N18. Z00 indicates rapid tool positioning at X0 and Z1. After that, next sequence is N19. G28 indicates go to home position, positioning the tool at the program 0 point. Then after next sequence is N20. M05 is used for turning of spindle. Then N21. M09 miscellaneous code is used for the turning of coolant. Then after next sequence is N22. M02 miscellaneous code is used for end of the programming. And next sequence is N23. M30 is used for the end of the tab, and tab will remind automatically. So this is the common format which is used for the part program. Various sequence code and preparatory functions may vary according to your part drawing. Okay. Now let's take one example of part program for CNC machining. Given data is that write a manual part program for finishing the component as shown in the figure. Assume spindle speed is 600 rpm, feed rate is 0.2 mm per revolution. Consider consider bar of 40 mm diameter and length of 90 mm as shown in figure. Now we have to convert this bar into two steps. In first step, we have to reduce diameter from 40 mm to 30 mm. And in second step, we have to reduce the diameter from 30 to 20 mm. As you can see in the diagram, x-axis and z-axis. And at the circular point, which is shown in the figure, is known as the program 0 point. Okay. Now let's start the program. In the table, you can see first sequence number is N0. Okay, as we have earlier discussed, common format of the part programming. N0 is the first sequence. Okay, G90 is used for absolute programming mode. Then after second sequence is N1, and G71 is used for metric mode programming. If you want to your part drawing is in each mode, then you have to use G70 code. Then third sequence is N2. G93 indicates the speed range. Okay, and M40 is used for low speed range, and X600 indicate the spindle speed is 600 rpm. Then after next sequence is N3, and G95 indicates the feed rate in mm per revolution. Okay, the feed rate is given in mm per revolution, so we have to use the G95 code. Next sequence is N4. G2080 is used for giving instruction to tool to go to the home position. After that N5, M06 is used for the changing the tool. T0101 indicates the tool number is 01 with offset number 01. After that next sequence is N6, and M03 is used for turning one spindle with spindle speed is 600 rpm, which is given in our data. Okay. After that, next sequence is N7. G0 is used for rapid tool positioning. Okay. Now we have given blank of the 40 mm. Okay. Now set the tool X at 40 to 1 to 2 mm more than the given diameter for safety purpose, and in Z direction set tool at 1. Okay. M08 is used for turning one coolant. Then after next sequence is N8. Z00 is used for the rapid tool positioning in X at 40 mm and in Z at 1. Okay. Now we have to reduce the diameter from 40 to 30 mm. Okay. For that, stock removal cycle is used. The next sequence is N9. G74 code indicates the stock removal cycle with incremental depth of cut of 1 mm with feed rate of 0.2 mm per revolution, and diameter is reduced from x40 to x30. Okay, and we have to go in z direction up to the length 60 mm. So z is minus 60. Okay, now we have to reduce diameter from 30 to 20 mm. So next sequence is N10. G00 is used for rapid positioning. Set the tool in x30 to 1 to 2 mm for more than 30 mm for safety purpose, and in z direction set the tool at 1. After that, next sequence is N11. G00 further rapid positioning the tool in x at 30 and z at 1. Now we have to reduce diameter from 30 to 20 mm. Okay. So next sequence is N12. G74 code indicates stock removal cycle with the incremental depth of cut of 1 mm with feed rate of 0.2 mm per revolution, and diameter is reduced from 30 to 20 mm, x30 to x20, and we have to go to in z direction up to length 30 mm, so z is minus 30. And then after next sequence is N13. 13 G0 is used for the rapid tool positioning x at 22 and z at 1. Okay. The next sequence is N14. G28 is used for to send the tool back to home position. Okay. After that, next sequence is N15 and M05, which is used for the turning of spindle. Then after N16 and M09, which is used for turning of the coolant. After that, next sequence is N17. M02 code is used for the ending of program, and last sequence is M18. M30 is used for the ending of tap, and tap will remain automatically. Okay, so this is the part program for the given drawing, okay, which is used for the turning application. Thank you for watching this video.